After replacing of cycle parts such as a compressor, evaporator, and dryer, leak detection should be checked. Let me show you what you need. Manifold gauge, leak detection compound, and nitrogen tank. I will connect nitrogen tank to the refrigerator. Connect the manifold gauge yellow hose to the nitrogen tank. Connect the blue hose to the charging tube. Connect the red hose to the dryer. Nitrogen has been connected. Let me explain what a nitrogen tank consists of. Main valve that opens the tank. A pressure gauge that shows pressure inside the tank. Another pressure gauge that indicates nitrogen output. And the regulator valve controls the release of nitrogen. We'll first adjust the pressure of nitrogen. Of the main valve, the gauge reading is 25 kg force. It is the pressure inside of the tank. Turn the valve to have it at 10 kg force. Adjustment is completed. Open the manifold gauge on both sides to charge nitrogen into the refrigerator. Spray the leak detection compound on a locking connector to check. Compressor charging pipe, compressor high pressure pipe, and suction pipe, dryer, evaporator, sway valve, and condenser pipe. If gas leaks, cut the pipes and connect again with locking.